Hi, this is Zach with Downriver Equipment, and today we're going to show you how to take this pile of pipe and turn it into a finished frame. Alright, step one is to organize this pile of pipe into light pieces. So let's see what we got here. Got a piece with a hole on each end. Let's set that aside. We've got a bent piece with our swage on it. Let's set that aside. Another one of those. Got our kick bar, of course. A couple of oar towers. Alright, got a straight piece of pipe without any holes drilled in it. Set that aside. Got another piece of pipe with holes on each end. And you may have a loose part or two. We'll set that aside and see where that goes. And then of course, we've got our snap pins. Alright, so now that we've got our pieces kind of organized here, let's lay them out in the design of the frame. So we've got our two end hoops, and if you look closely at the end hoops where the swage is, you'll see some letters. So I've got a C here, and I've got an A here, and on this one I've got a D here, and a B here, and of course you can look at the stickers to see which side is up. So our end hoops will go at the front and the rear of the frame. I've got a kick bar here, and this is a 3-bay frame, so we've got one crossbar. If you had more bays than 3, you'll have extra crossbars to set up. Okay, and then our pieces that have the holes in them will line up with the swages on our end hoops. These pieces will also have some letters stamped into them. So I've got a D here and a C here. We'll line up our C and our D. And of course this piece here has the B and the A. Okay, now that we've got the basic frame laid out, we can continue on with the assembly. If any of your T's have come off of your side rail, remember when you slide them on, you want the set screws in the up position so that you can tighten those and loosen those as needed. Your T's that are set up for the kick bar will have a hole drilled in them so that you can drill and pin that kick bar down the road, which is another video you can check out on how to set that up. So if you need to slide any of your T's on, again, make sure you will have access to the set screws when the frame is on your boat. Alright, the first thing that we want to do is put the crossbar or crossbars into the side rails, as well as the kick bar into the side rails. Alright. And now we can tighten the inside set screw to hold this together. No need to snug that up too much quite yet. Alright, and now we have the side rails connected to the crossbars and to the kick bar. Okay, and now we've set our side rails and our crossbars up on some buckets to make the sliding of the end hoops go a little bit easier. Certainly wouldn't hurt if you can have a friend come over and help you for this process as well. And today we've got Phil to give us a hand. So take your end hoops, slide those into your side rails, and make sure that you're both doing that evenly. You'll never have to bang on our frames with a hammer if it's not going in smoothly, something's not quite set up right. and you just need to make sure that you're both going in evenly. All right, and again, just make sure that you have lined up your letters. So I've got DD over here, and now we can put our snap pins in. Okay, and now we can go to the other end hoop. And again, make sure that you guys slide it in evenly at the same time. All right, now we're going to put our snap pins in on this side, and we purposely drill these holes so that it's a very tight tolerance, and it's not uncommon for you to have to wiggle it and jiggle it just a little bit to get her in there. And there we go. Now we've got our main frame set up. All right, now that we have an assembled raft frame, you can go back to our website and check out some of our other informative videos, such as how to set your kick bar, how to set the oar towers, and how to snug up the set screws. After that, you will have a personalized raft frame.
Drop the stuff in the bucket.